Right, here's my chicken chow mein. It's a hybrid of Ching He Waung's and Ken Hom's. Obviously, we've got the sliced red bell peppers, shiitake mushrooms, chicken which has been marinated in soy sauce, Chinese 5-spice and corn flour, the bean sprouts, the spring onions and water chestnuts. Over here is my Ken Hom sauce and the noodles, which have been cooked in boiling water for 3 minutes and then tossed in, cooled down, tossed in sesame seed oil. Right, let's get cooking. Right, wok's up to temperature, get that up to temperature first, and then we'll put in some groundnut oil. The reason why I use groundnut oil is it's got a higher smoking point than other oils. In goes the chicken. Right, let that sit there without turning it. Give it a couple of minutes. Turn it over on the other side. About another minute to be fair. Take the chicken out, all done. Just let that drain off. In with the peppers. Add more oil.
Got it on a medium high heat.
Now in goes the water chestnuts. In with the shiitake mushrooms. In with the bean sprouts. Back in with the chicken. Noodles back in. Spring onions. Right, that's that done. Time to plate up. Sauce going over. And voila, fini.